Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect 4-digit 2.3-inch bigger size common anode 7-segment display with ESP32. Watch full video to understand the circuit connection and other details, otherwise you will not get proper output. In my project, I used ESP32. You can use any microcontroller like Arduino Uno, Nano, Mega also. Here I used 36 quantity BC547 transistor and 36 1 kilo ohm resistor for my circuit. This is overall circuit diagram of the project. 9 volt 2 ampere external power supply required for this circuit. 33 ohm resistor is needs to connect with 7-segment display. Because 2.3-inch display required 8 voltage only. If you are using 12 volt supply, increase the resistor value, otherwise display will get damaged. This A to H input needs to be connect with ESP32 module. Digit 1 to digit 4 and GND pin needs to connect with ESP32 module. Very important point is your external power supply ground needs to connect to your microcontroller ground, otherwise it won't work. In this circuit, I have used 35 BC547 NPN transistor. You can use any NPN transistor in this circuit. This circuit is designed for common anode display, not for common cathode display. This is the pin number I connected with ESP32 for A to H terminal. This is the pin number I connected with ESP32 for digit 1 to digit 4. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.